The wood carving technique demonstrated in the video is truly amazing. I can see how they create movement and depth on the wood surface in a unique way. The way they combine carving techniques with the use of light and shadow results in a visually impressive effect. I can see their dedication and passion for the art of wood carving in every stroke. To create such a stunning wooden piece, they must invest a great deal of effort and time. Seeing the process from the initial block of wood to the completion of their wood carving masterpiece is truly fascinating. The paintings and images they create on wood are truly vibrant and imaginative. I really want to learn how to use different tools like they do to produce such beautiful artworks. I admire the way they've crafted intricate details on the wood surface. The utilization of various tools and techniques they employ is truly impressive. They truly possess a remarkable skill in wood carving. I love how they meticulously handle every tiny detail, creating a flawless masterpiece on the wood surface. Their work with patience and love for the art is truly inspiring to everyone who watches. Exploring the wood carving art through the video is truly a unique experience. I feel like I'm immersing myself in the process of creating these amazing artworks. I am constantly amazed by the skillful and talented artisans and their ability to create such exquisite artworks on wood.